Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to download a song directly to your phone without advertisement interference. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that you do, open your Chrome browser, then type www.tubidy.com, then click search. Then on top here we have search. So type the song that you want to download. Like in this case, I want to download this song named Sifu Bwana by Calgraph Jones. So type like that, then click search. So we have the song here. So you click on that song, but zoom a bit. So you just zoom like that, then click on this Sifu Bwana where the title is. So this, to avoid this advertisement from Betika, just click back button on your mobile phone, then give it time to load. It's loading. So we have the song. After loading, we have download button. So you click on download button, but it is good that you zoom, because if you just click like that, a lot of advertisements will pop up. So click zoom first, then click download. Then we have we have the choices here: MP3, MP4 audio, MP4 video. So if you want to download a video, you just click on download where we have the video button. I want to download the audio, so zoom, then click download right here on at the middle of that arrow pointing down, download. You can see it is downloading. So you wait for it to finish. It's almost through. You are done. You can access it. You can open it from music side or phone file. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.